Is cinematic mode just a gimmick? Or should you use ProRes or HDR? Actually, let's see which one is more cinematic. Wow. For ages I have been waiting for that one switch that you just flip it on and all of a sudden all your footage is cinematic. Because cinematic mode is not the all-you-can-use tool that you think it is. In most of the cases, using the normal camera, the normal native camera, is actually much better than the cinematic. We're gonna test a few things. We're gonna test out how cinematic works when you're filming a landscape, when you're filming a person, when you're filming movement, because in principle when everyone says that they love cinematic, is just the movement. So let's just start off with that. So no need to waste time. This is a footage comparison video. Just scroll through them, check out the difference between the shots, and just choose the one you like. Comment in the comment section below with the one you think is the best one. So influencers, this cinematic mode, you're just using it a bit too much, and it definitely isn't what you were thinking it is. Sunset at the beach, and all of a sudden the cinematic mode starts blurring things inside the shot that don't need to be blurred. Literally you see a beach, and then all of a sudden parts of that beach are just blurred out for no apparent reason. This is why cinematic mode needs this test, so we see where it's best to use it. So if you're out and about shooting some sort of a landscape, just shooting 4K 60 HDR, you're gonna thank me later. Sometimes when you want to achieve a background blur with the camera, you can also use the trick. So what options do you have? What options do you have when it comes to cinematic mode? That's a very good question. I personally would not use cinematic mode for almost anything. I would basically just use the native camera, 4K HDR, and in case I need a bigger black background blur, I just use the 5x camera on that, basically the zoom camera. It creates a very natural bokeh behind your subject. So, that's my conclusion. Please, stop using cinematic mode for all the shots. Don't be that influencer. Peace.